Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be organizing and decluttering my kids' rooms so I can finish putting away all of the Christmas stuff, well, most of it. But if you are in need of some cleaning or decluttering motivation, then go ahead and put this up on your TV or phone and let's get to cleaning. Thanks so much for clicking on my video today. If you're new here, my name is Carrie, and my husband Brandon and I have been together for 13 years. We just celebrated our 11-year anniversary in November, and we have a 6 and an 8-year-old. They've been sharing a room for quite some time now, but they've been asking for their own rooms for the past few months. So for Christmas, they got a bunch of items for their own bedrooms, and we're in the first phase of redoing their rooms. Eventually, they'll get all new fresh paint and even new floors, but for now, I just wanted to get them in their own spaces. Especially my son will be turning 9 in January, so even though in the days and the nights following this video, filming it and separating their rooms, they did still sleep together in the same room, but they are ready. I do think that they need their own privacy and space, and they're getting to that age. We do have a boy and a girl, so I think it's important that they have their own space. But my husband, actually, I was so extremely grateful for, because he did the first phase of decluttering and organizing their toys before Christmas, which was a huge project, and it was not something I was looking forward to doing. But we got rid of 4 whole bags of toys, and again, I'm just super grateful to have a husband that takes some of the weight off of me, and I was able to switch over the rooms pretty quickly on this evening. And then I will be going through their clothes and decluttering some items there. I recently did my son's, but I did need to go through my daughter's, and I'm going to be giving those to my niece. And yeah, I just needed to bring everything kind of to piece up here, and again get everything in its place, so that way I could bring the rest of their toys and gifts that we had downstairs and find a new home for them up here. There were a bunch of footprints on this wall here from when my daughter's bed was pretty close. So I'm going to use my Fabulosa to clean off the wall. And I think it was the day after I filmed this, we went out to Lowe's to check out some paint colors. And actually, I do really like this grayish color that's already on the walls, although I do think it's kind of dark for our house. I think I would like maybe a lighter tone, but you can't tell on camera that the paint job is just really messy. It needs a good touch up. Even the ceilings need to be repainted. So for now, since the color isn't too bad and the paint job isn't like so horrible that when you walk in you notice it, I mean, when you sit in the room you'll notice things, we're just gonna keep thinking about the colors that we want to use, and we're going to focus more on bringing the room to life through the decorations. So we also went out to Home Goods after and looked for some new curtains and stuff, and we did find a painting for my daughter's room, but we didn't find what we were looking for as far as curtains go. So I've been shopping on Amazon for something we like and hope to order something for that soon. So I hope everyone had a happy new year. Let me know what you guys did down in the comments below. My family and I just stayed in, and I made my husband and I some crab legs, and then we just played some games. I was the only one that didn't make it till midnight, but I was just snoozing on the couch, and they did wake me up to celebrate at midnight still with New Year's kisses. And this video is definitely going to be just part 1 of my after Christmas cleaning and organizing, because I do tend to keep my Christmas decorations up through the 12th day of Christmas, which is January 6th. But that's actually also my birthday. And so this weekend my husband has some plans for us, and then I'm also simultaneously getting ready for a big event that I'm coordinating for work that's taking place next week. So I won't really have time to take down my decorations like through the weekend, and so it wouldn't be until like mid-January. So I think I might be taking them down a bit earlier this year, but definitely stick around and subscribe to see part 2 of this after Christmas clean, where I'll take down all of my Christmas decorations and give my house a good deep clean. For now, I'm just making things work with this cabinet here until we can get new furniture and a new bedside table. But I always feel like I just have such a long running list of things that I need to replace in the house. Like the kids need all new furniture, I need new better furniture, I need so much stuff replaced around the kitchen, and it just gets so overwhelming. So I find that keeping track of everything on a list that I keep on my phone helps. And so that way, if I ever go to Home Goods or whatever, I can see what kind of small items I need around there. Because again, like I don't know what it is. I get overwhelmed with like so much stimulation. Maybe I shouldn't talk about this, but I feel like if there's anyone else out there that also feels this way, then at least you know you're not alone. And I feel like talking through it helps, but I get so overwhelmed like when I walk into a store because there's so many options and I can't take everything that I want. I have to like limit my choices, obviously. And so I just get very overwhelmed when I go into a store and I tend to forget what I even need. So keeping a list in my phone really helps. And then not only can I see it all laid out in front of me, but I can go through and prioritize what needs to be replaced first. So new furniture, definitely on the list. But for now, these things around the room are what my kids like and what they've picked out for now. Because my daughter's already talking about new bedding. She's like, I'm over Jojo Siwa. So eventually she will be getting new bedding too, I think. But I just like to let them have a say in how they want to decorate their spaces. And so I don't worry so much about it being what I think looks good. This is now moving on to the second day. I wanted to finish switching out the closet, so I put a Hallmark movie up on the TV and I'm going to start decluttering. I hope you enjoyed the break from all the chit chat. Definitely let me know in the comment section if you guys prefer more talking during cleaning videos or more music. But I'm just kind of glazing over this corner here in the closet, which is filled with stuffed animals. And of course, they're all too special to give away, but I don't have a wonderful storage system for them yet. So I'm just going to do my best to kind of keep them contained in this corner here so they're not spilling out all over the room. And then this is what we're working with in my son's room. I did consider putting the dresser into the closet like it was before so his bins can rest on it. But I do kind of want to keep this space open for shoes. And so I might need to find a new solution. Maybe I might get some shoe racks or like some squares. I don't know what they're called at this time. Shelving unit and kind of make things work that way. But for now, I'm going to leave it out in the room to see how we like it. And then next I'm going to move downstairs to that pile of gifts that I need to bring upstairs and find a home for. But when I was at Target, their Christmas stuff was at 50% off and they still had a few of these little white houses to make up a village. So at only $2.50 each, I picked up 4 of them for a total of 5 structures for my village, and I'm super excited to put these away for next year and add them to my collection. But this is going to be it for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe for part 2, and if you made it this far, give this video a like. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!